Hello, I'm Kyle. Welcome to Pen Talk. Today we are going to draw the last part of contour, accurate contour. There are only few things that need to be noticed, so the video will be sped up. By the way, I have to work to pay the actor's salary because my sponsor doesn't provide enough funding, so there will be more time between uploads. Hope you don't mind.
This video is sponsored by my brain cell.
When we do the accurate contour, one thing must be remembered. You must draw very gently. This paper is not easy to erase. It's better to draw the contour with a thinner line. A thicker line will lead to a different proportion in contour. You can grind down the tip of the charcoal stick until it's flat. And use its edge to draw. The line should be thinner. There is no special skill in drawing oval or round shape, so the lemon, egg, and contour are relatively simple shape. Try a couple times, you'll be able to draw the shape. If the line is too thick, you need to erase it and draw again. The thin outline can make sure you won't change the proportion when you do shadowing. If the object shape is complex to you, you can use straight line to simplify the outline. You don't need to use too many straight lines in the curved area. I usually use less than 3 in a small area. After finishing, you can use curved line to detail the shape. When you draw symmetrical objects, for example bottles, it's better to measure the middle of the width and draw a vertical line through the middle. Make sure both sides are equal. And you can measure the neck of the bottle. Measure its height and width. When you measure the bottom part of the bottle, you can do the left part first. I will draw a rough shape first. And then measure its widest spot. Then I will measure the width of the base and the thickness of it. When I finish the left part, I will use the same measurement to create a mirror image on the right side.